All right, let's go.
Oh yeah, he's pulling. 12-inch fish right there. I mean, I can't tell you the secret sauce.
Yeah, can't beat it. Thanks for coming along. Making our way down this ditch here, down this ravine to get down into the river. Full-blown wading gear today. Okay, it's January. We're gonna hop in this cold water. Forgot my stocking hat. I'm already regretting that. I'm not walking back up this gulch to get it. Probably gonna be here for 2 minutes. Once I get up to my knees, I might be done. There's a little ice right here on the edge of the river. All right, let's get in here and get them. It's been cold. We've had a couple nice 50-degree days here the last couple days, and kind of warmed up the water temperature and gave us a little bit of thaw, but it's still cold. Just taking my time, nice and easy. I've been up to my waist and it's cold. My hands are already cold. I got some neoprene gloves, but you can't cast with those on. But, yeah, my fingertips are feeling it.
Bald eagles are flying down here looking at me like, what in the heck? Baby bald eagles, 2 of them together. Don't see that very often. Whoa, little drop off there. Get down in there. Yeah, nothing wants to cooperate when it's cold out here like this. Let's bite. Missed him. Boy, they are just barely taking it. There's a bite. Got him. Feels a little bit better. Not much. 9-inch fish. Well, I tell you what, if the fish weren't biting, this would be miserable. My fingertips are freezing. My legs and body are all right. Just my fingertips. This is awesome. Popping crappie on the bank, wading in January. It's nuts. Wow, what a light bite. That's a good one. All right, that might be a better fish. A little more weight to him. All right, that guy will keep. First fish in the basket. That's what I'm talking about. Well, this guy inhaled it. Wish they'd make up their mind. Oh, I cannot feel my fingers. Whew. 9-inch fish. This might be a short trip here. I don't think I can stand this. Wow. Oh, big bite. All right, it's got some weight. Let's see what we got. Yeah. It's a nice fish. Folks, I literally cannot feel that fish in my hand. It's just, my fingers are tingling. I can't even feel my finger and thumb pinching it. I love it though. This is fun. He's pushing 11. Yeah. Up time. Beautiful. Sometimes that float just barely twitches. It just makes a little tiny movement. And there's a fish there. Got him. Oh yeah. This is definitely a nice one. Huh. Not as big as I thought. 10 inches. All right, starting to add up. Yeah. Oh yeah. Woo! Look at that goodness. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, having some scent on there, it definitely gives them fish an incentive to hold on to that jig a little bit longer. And for sure, no doubt. I detected the bite, and I was able to wait, you know, a second or two for him to go ahead and get it in his mouth, and so I could get a good hook set. Definitely helps. Not all times a year. Most time of year you don't need to do that. But yeah, there's a good bite. Oh yeah, got him. Oh yeah, he's pulling for a crappie. Oh yeah, that's what's going on right now. Ooh. Yeah, that's the first real nice fish of the day. Yeah, nice 12-inch fish right there. On the secret sauce. It's a secret. Sorry. It just is. A secret's a secret. I mean, I can't tell you the secret sauce. Then everybody be down here catching all these fish and I wouldn't have none left. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Time for wacky jig. Yeah, we ain't throwing that jig away. You crazy? I'm poor. Wacky jig. It's money. Here we go. Watch. It's money. Wacky jigging it. They don't care if that jig's on there sideways. They do not care. It might affect your mental status to have that jig on there sideways. But the fish does not care. Pop. What I say. You think fish don't fit, bait fish and minnows and shad don't swim sideways and upside down and backwards and everything else? They don't care. Do you, buddy? Do you? You don't care, do you? See you, man. Thanks for coming along, buddy. Here we go. Back in. Uh-oh. Bad cast. I got snag-ola there. Oh, big bite. Man, he took it under. I jerked that a little hard. It got me a little excited there. There's a bite. gosh, dang it. Yep, it's the water's warming up a little bit. My hands are warmer now. It's about 9 o'clock in the morning now, so it is supposed to get up to 50 before this mess comes through this afternoon. So they're probably feeling that warmth too. For some reason my float is plumb laying flat and sideways, which I do care about that. I don't care about my jig. Here it come undone. I don't care about that wacky jig being sideways, but I don't want my float to be sideways. Bam, right in the honey hole right there. See what the old wacky jig can do. We're about to see. I'm about to show you right here. There he is, 10-pound walleye. Bam, got him. Or a 9-inch crappie. Fun, 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 boy. Fun, fun, fun. And girls. See you, man. It's a good time. All right, she's barely hanging on there. Ooh, he's getting bigger on me. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Definitely. He definitely growed up. Nice fish, 10-inch fish. He was tough. He gave me a surprise. I'm gonna let him go. See, buddy? Looked like a female. She had a little bit of a belly to her. Ow! Just poked myself. Still there. Look at it. Couple casts and another fish, wacky jigging it, and that little piece of power bait's still on there. That's not fish skin or nothing. That ain't no. That it's not a. That's a piece of the power bait. Pop. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Uh-oh. He got me hung up. There, got him loose. He was big enough to hang me up. He must be something. Fighting. Fighting. All right. Nice fish. Definitely a keeper. Where we at, basket? Where we at? Going down the river. Get in there, boy. Yeah. It's cold out here. I mean, compared to some places, it's not cold. Compared to other places, it's really cold. But I'm standing here in a Kansas river, creek, whatever you want to call it. And third week of January, it's cold. You're just gonna have to trust me. I take a break here and stuff my hands down the bibs and warm them up. What a fish bite. It's incredible. Popping crappie on a 1.5 foot deep bobber in January. It's unbelievable. It's awesome. I'm just so tickled. It's so awesome. Ah. It's tough. Try not to let that jig drop in the water. It did, but want the sauce out there, not right here. Here we go. We'll put it on them.
There he is. All right, good one. Real nice. Yeah, 10-inch fish. First fish after the break there. First fish after warming up my hands. Nice one. There's a sweet spot and a bite. Yeah. Just cannot get any better. Oh, oh yeah. Nice one. For today, none of these are huge fish, but yeah. Uh-oh. Big takedown right there. He took her under. Tough guy right there. Oh yeah. Woo! All right, I think that's gonna be my last fish of the morning. I got to get out of this cold water. Beautiful out here. Okay, I'm gonna get on out of here. Got me a basket of fish and you know, tickled to death. It's awesome. Wading the creek in January. It's not many opportunities to do that for me. It's usually ice by now, and to be able to pop crappie in a foot of water or on a foot deep bobber, it's in January. It's a special day, special moment. Appreciate you guys coming along. If you like the show, please hit the sub button. Appreciate you guys coming along. Good day. Any day fishing's a good day. All right, later. We'll see you at the next spot.